In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do affiliate marketing using Temu. I know that affiliate marketing, a lot of times I have people who are just starting off and they're saying it's really, really confusing. They have to set up funnels and pages and all this other lingo that you're just learning for the first time, and it's really, really difficult, or you just feel like you don't have a whole lot of time to do affiliate marketing. You would love to get started. This is one method right here where it's super, super easy. Doesn't take much time at all out of your day. Literally, you can sit down and do this in about 10 minutes, and you can, if you have more time than that, you can really build something up. And it's super simple. A lot of people are doing it, and I'm going to show you examples right here in this video. I'm also going to walk you through step by step, right from scratch, from beginning to end, how to do this tactic, okay? I'm going to show you this exact method. Let's get right into it. The very first thing I want you to do is I want you to obviously go to Temu.com. I don't know how to pronounce this thing. Is it Temu? Temu? I say Temu. Maybe I'm wrong. But all you're going to do when you go to Temu is you're going to scroll way to the bottom. And there's a lot to scroll here, as you can see. But you go way down to the bottom. And you're going to click on this little link down here where it says affiliate and influencer earn. I'm going to click that. And that is their affiliate program, which will actually take you right here. You can see it says affiliate program. So once you're in here, you're going to see a few things. Number one, this little pop-up's going to come up and it's going to give you some cash right away. That's right. They're going to pay you immediately to become an affiliate for Temu. Immediately. Now, I know $2, $3, whatever they pay you is not a whole lot, but it must be great to finally realize this stuff is real. I just got paid. Okay, so when people ask you, oh, is that real? Affiliate marketing, do you really make money? Take them to this screen, press sign up, and show that you've already made money just by starting. Okay, so that's pretty awesome to me. All right, the next thing you're going to learn about down here is you can earn. Okay, so they're going to teach you about how their actual affiliate program works. And I got to tell you, I've been around the block quite a few times. This is not bad at all. This is miles and miles better than the Amazon affiliate program, okay? So if you're toying around with affiliate marketing and you've heard of like Amazon has like an affiliate program or whatnot, just switch to Temu if you're gonna do that, because Temu has a much more rewarding, more profitable program, and they have a lot of the same products. Probably not name brand a lot of times, but a lot of the same stuff that you can sell, okay? So that being said, you can see here, it goes from 5 to 20% commission. Again, compared to like an Amazon affiliate program where they're paying you like 3% max, that's much, much better, okay? Obviously. The next thing is on extra, as a bonus, you get $5 as a download reward. So these are for people who are downloading and logging into the app when you recommend Temu to people. So stack that on top of each other. No, you're not going to be a millionaire overnight, but when you stay consistent with this, when you do this constantly, you can really start to rack up a few $100s a day. You can really turn this into a nice side income. And again, in the rest of this video from here on out, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. And if you have 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes per day, you can actually do this, okay? You can start making some money with this. Now, you're going to notice here that you have your affiliate links, your referrals benefits, okay? So you have different links that you can share with people. You have like a 30% off coupon code. You have free gifts you can share. The main link that you're going to use is this one, the $100 coupon bundle. You're just going to click copy. I'm not sure why it gave me that, but I'm just going to copy and paste it. I'm going to highlight it and copy it and paste it. Save that for later, or leave it highlighted, or save it onto a notepad or something. That is your main affiliate link for Temu, okay? Now what I want you to do is I want you to go through Temu and I want you to find a product that you'd like to promote, okay? I'm going to put shower shelves. I'm going to put shower shelves. I'm just going to find a random shower shelf product, something that's probably selling really well. As you can see, bestseller in bath, just bought. This got a lot of great reviews, 1,488 reviews right here. Nice shower shelf. And this is something that, let's say I want to promote. I think it's really nice. It looks great. What you want to do is you want to go through the photos here and you want to find a photo that looks really nice, that someone would see this photo and they'd say, wow, I really want that in my shower. That looks great. I'd say something like this looks great. This looks really nice. So all you have to do at this point is you're going to right click. You're going to hit save image as, and you're going to save it somewhere in your computer. Oh, let's see here. Let me change the name of this. I'm going to put shelf. Oh. Shelf dot whatever, okay? All right. So now I have it saved on my computer. I'm not sure if it's saved as the right type of image. Let me get another one just in case. That one's also web, but that's okay. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Now, this is a big problem in the affiliate marketing space. Is a lot of times people ask, okay, great. So now I have my product. Where do I promote it? Where do I actually get people to buy this thing? Well, there's one platform here. Okay. There's one platform called Pinterest, where people are looking at photos all day long, every day. I don't use Pinterest very often, but I know that a lot of people use this platform, okay? And they use it every single day to look at photos, and a lot of people actually have buying intent. Whatever platform you choose, remember, you're going to make your life a lot easier if the people that use that platform have buying intent. Okay, they usually go on that platform to go purchase things. Pinterest happens to be one of those platforms. Okay, so if I go to the search bar here, you can see I already searched shower shelf. You can see that a lot of these are sponsored. A lot of these images here are affiliate marketing, right? A lot of affiliates are posting different shower shelf pictures that they're promoting. Some of them are even making videos, okay? And a lot of these are just people taking pictures of their shower shelf, okay? So, but you can see that a lot of these have buying intent. Do you think Wayfair is spending a lot of money? Light in the Box is spending a lot of money. You can go through Walmart is spending a lot of money on ads on Pinterest because they're not selling? Of course not, right? They're actually making money here. So all you need to do is now add your image and start doing affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So when someone clicks on that image, they're interested in clicking through and buying the product. That is your affiliate link. So all you would have to do is you would go up to, if I find it here, I haven't used this in a while. You would go up to where you can post. Okay, not pin for ad, create, pin, organic. So we're just going to pull up that image. There's the image that we want to use. We usually want to title the image something that relates to what someone would search. Okay, shower shelf. And if you want to get some more details on it, you might want to pull something like this. Rust resistant corner. Let's do that. Rust resistant corner. Okay, something like that. You can probably put some more detail. You can even copy some of the description here if you wanted to. Durable, stylish, accessories. Okay, you can even do this for the description. Now, take a side note here. You always want to make sure that on Pinterest, you announce that this is an affiliate product. Okay, affiliate product or something like that, or like affiliate disclaimer, something like that, right? You put something in there that mentions that this is an affiliate product, that I do not own this product, etc., for like legal purposes and stuff. But also, Pinterest will take down your post if you don't mention that it's an affiliate link, okay? Now, this is where we put our link, right? It says link. We're going to go back to Temu. We already have it highlighted. We copy it, and we're going to put our affiliate link in there. Again, this is not specifically going to sell this product, but it can direct people over to the product and go find it and, you know, set things up and whatnot. Board, I don't have stuff on my board, so we don't really need that. And tag topics, you want to put stuff, again, that will help people find it in the search. So let's put like shower shelf. Shower is good. How about bathroom? Bathroom is a good one, okay? So that way it'll help people find this product or this image on Pinterest, okay? So it puts it in the right category. You can put publish later. You can put different options. Allow people to comment, similar products. I'm good right there. I'm going to put publish, and there you go. Now this post is on Pinterest, and you can find it in your dashboard and stuff, okay? This post is now on Pinterest with your affiliate link, and how long did that take me? Maybe 5 minutes? So this isn't going to make you a millionaire if you do it one time, but if you stay consistent and you do this every day, let's say 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day, in about, I don't know, a few months' time, you could be making a few $100s a day from this, okay? So one small tip that we didn't cover here that I would recommend as you're posting these products on Pinterest, I found that the more unique the product, the better, okay? So I didn't have time there to find something super unique and something completely different, but that works really, really well on Pinterest. Just think that a lot of times people are scrolling through Pinterest and they're saying, wow, I've seen a million of the same products and a lot of stuff that looks the same. When you find something truly unique that really stands out, That's going to be a big difference maker. Okay. Temu has a ton of different products, okay, an enormous amount of products. So take some time to search through there and find stuff that's really unique that no one's ever seen before, like something a little different, and post that on Pinterest. You're definitely going to stand out amongst all the competition, and people are going to buy it in droves, okay? So it's going to work 110%. You have some extra time on the side there, do this tactic. Now, if you want to learn some more tactics on how to do affiliate marketing completely for free, super easy methods, click here and watch this next video. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.